Bullish smooth love mixture, SLP. Cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.007702 and $0.014548 by 2030. Market investigators accept SLP could reach $0.00599 by 2025. Bearish smooth love elixir market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.001369. Smooth love elixir, SLP, acquaintance when it accompanies play to procure games. The sheer vastness gets everyone's attention. As the primary NFT gaming title to cross $1 billion in deals, it is credited for putting play to procure on the worldwide gaming map. Sky Mavis sent off the game in 2018, yet it required off barely a year ago, alongside the NFT blast. The sheer vastness was the previous summer's star convention, cresting it close to a portion of 1 million day-to-day dynamic clients. DAO. A sheer vastness is a NFT upheld play-to-acquire blockchain game where players gather beasts known as axies and fight them with other players' axies. It uses 2 tokens in its biological system, smooth love elixirs, SLPs, and a sheer boundlessness shards, axes. Fundamentally, SLPs are procured by playing the game. In the interim, Axes is an administration token that empowers holders to decide on key choices like game functionalities and depository support spending. Before we assess on the off chance that SLP would be a productive interest in 2022 and the next few years, we should backtrack a bit. We'll meticulously describe the job and utility of SLP in a sheer limitlessness environment. Moreover, we will cover the variables influencing the cost of SLP and what's in store plans of Sky Mavis. What is a sheer vastness? A sheer endlessness advocate the play-to-procure interactivity model, wherein players are compensated by essentially investing energy playing the game. Besides, the players completely own their in-game characters or things as NFTs. They can sell it, acquire from it, or use it for ongoing interaction. This isolates a sheer limitlessness from the vast majority of the present customary closed-circled games, where computerized things must be utilized in-game. Through an Ashia grant, the Chiefer Society purchases or gives the 3 axes that the player, researcher, will use to play the game and acquire SLP. They accept all the gamble to loan 3 axes to the new player. In return, they procure a portion of their player's benefit. The new clients play to acquire and a sheer endlessness permit their backers to receive a portion of the benefits. Smooth Love Elixir is presently worth $0.001711 United States dollars. SLP has moved 0.25% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $8,312,469. Smooth Love Elixir is presently positioned 1201 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $71,675,505 United States dollars. Using the general strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union uniqueness, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Smooth Love Elixir, SLP. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant smooth love mixture, SLP, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation 2023. Smooth Love Elixir, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. SLP. The SLP cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0.002567. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.002396 in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable soon, given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. SLP is supposed to have a base worth of $0.002054. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Smooth Love Mixture SLP cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of SLP will before long outperform $0.004279. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the SLP's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, SLP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.003423 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.003765. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP. Value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.00599, and SLP might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. SLP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.005477 and a low of $0.005134 in 2025. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Smooth Love Elixir effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the SLP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SLP will be green in 2026. The SLP is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.007702 with a base cost of $0.006846 and a typical cost of $0.007188. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the SLP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.0089 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.008557 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, SLP has a greatest value worth of $0.009413. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP. Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.010611. In the event that SLP figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0.011125. Neglecting to assemble the help SLP needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.010269. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation 2029. While SLP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0.011198 and a yearly cost close above $0.012836 in 2029. Smooth Love Elixir, Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future costs.